only eat mayonnaise, or only eat pickles. Only eat chicken, or only eat beef. Only eat peanut butter, or only eat Nutella. Only eat brownies, or only eat cookies. Only eat sushi, or only eat burritos. Only eat spaghetti, or only eat Alfredo pasta. Only eat apple pie, or only eat cheesecake. Only eat fried chicken, or only eat grilled cheese.